What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make $100 to $200 per day on YouTube without recording videos. You may have seen other videos that people have recorded talking about this exact same topic. However, this is completely different. Okay? I mean completely different. This is probably something you've never seen before, and that's why I want to show you. It's actually pretty simple. Okay? It's something I've been doing for about 3 weeks, almost 4 weeks now, and I'm really liking it. The method is working, it's very effective, and it's simple, which means you can do it too. So in just a second, we're gonna hop over the computer, I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna walk you through it step by step, exactly how you can make money on YouTube without recording videos. Before I get into it, first, just want to ask, we are close to 100,000 YouTube subscribers. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you click that button, subscribe today. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. Let's get into this one. Let's go. All right, guys, so how do you make money? How do you make $100 to $200 per day on YouTube without recording videos? Well, I'm going to show you. What most people don't know about YouTube is once you get over 1,000 subscribers, there's actually another feature that you get, and that's to create a post. Okay, you get to create more of a community style channel, and that is huge because that is actually what I want to show you. Everyone knows you can go and you can grab bits and pieces of videos, and as long as they have the Creative Commons license, but you can grab little pieces of videos, put them all together, and you have a new video, you have a compilation video, you have a some type of new video that you're gonna publish on YouTube. But the problem is you still have to collect all the actual sample or the different bits and pieces and then put them all together. So you still have to edit the video and then publish it. That's a huge problem because it takes a lot of time. Most people do not have that time and are not willing to put in that work. It's still an effective business, but this one that I'm gonna show you is something completely new. Like I said, 1,000 subscribers gets you the create post. You can get that enabled, which is key. Okay, now how do you get 1,000 subscribers? Well, you can create an account, you can start building your subscriber base, which is a great way to do it, and you can start from nothing, $0, or you can buy a YouTube channel. This is what I'm going to show you today, buying a YouTube channel, because you can buy an established YouTube channel right now today for, let's say, $350 for this one right here, 3,300 subscribers. You buy this one right here, something tag. I have no clue what these are all about. You have to log in, ask questions, then you'll be able to get their actual username. But this one right here, $350 for 12,000 subscribers. Do I think this is worth it? Maybe. Depends on what this is actually on. Okay, whatever reviews. $800 for 7,200 subscribers. When it's a review channel, they usually sell for a little bit more, and they're easier to do exactly what I'm going to show you today. Okay, here's why. Okay, so let's say I have a channel. Let me see if I can find somebody that posted. Let's see. Keep going down. No, that wasn't a post. Let me see if I can find one. I don't see any posts. Anyway, no big deal. Okay, so what I was just looking for is to see if there was a post that I can show you kind of what it is. You've probably seen them before. They're pretty much everywhere. Anyway, but what you do, you go and buy the account. Okay, you go and buy your YouTube channel. Okay, and then you're gonna post different things here inside the create a post. Now here's the cool part. There's two ways to make money. First way you can make money is through a paid sponsorship. Well, how do you get paid sponsorship? Well, actually pretty simple. There's a website, it's called famebit.com. You can see it right here. Go to famebit.com and join. Okay, it's that simple. Now what you would do once you're here is you go and find different sponsors, and they would hire you to create videos or create a post or different things like that, depending on where you are actually creating your content. Okay, most people pretty much on YouTube. Okay, pretty much everybody's gonna post stuff on YouTube. You can get stuff over on Instagram through other websites, stuff like that. But that's not what we're talking about today. Through just YouTube. Now, some people want you to just mention their product, which is very simple. Other people want you to do a full review on their product, which is a little bit harder because you gotta create a video. But here's the cool part. To do a sponsorship or to use affiliate links, which I personally like to do, and that's what I'm doing, the best part is, okay, so here would be an example. I would write a post, okay, just like this. I'd come over here, click create post, okay, and I'd write something like this. Here's my honest review of the best grip socks on Amazon 2019. And I'd have grip socks number 1, a link to it, and then I'd add a little description about the socks. Grip socks number 2, a link, and descriptions about the socks. 3, link, description. 4, link, description. 5, link, description. Okay, that's all I do. And I post that onto YouTube. And it's very, very simple. So all I do, okay, grip socks for men. Let's do Pilates. Okay, grip socks for Pilates. Here we go. Here are the different grip socks. This is the cool part because if I know exactly what my channel is about, so it's about, let's say, this is my channel right here, whatever reviews. Let's say this is, clothing reviews. Okay, great. That's my channel. 7,200 subscribers. Okay, cost me $800. Well, I gotta pay the money. But here's the cool part. You go and create, the different things, okay, the different posts, and you try to build up, a little bit of an income. Okay, so now you start to have an income. Here's the cool part. Okay, now you have an income. Okay, so month 1, maybe you make $450. Okay, again, this is not $100 to $200 a day like I promised you in the beginning of this video. It's $450 a month in month 1. Okay, month 2, maybe you make $1,100. Okay, month 3, maybe you just made $1,450. Okay, month 4, maybe you're now at $2,100. Okay, you get the idea. Okay, now you're at $2,100. So eventually you'll get there. Here's the cool part. This is what I absolutely love, and this is exactly what I'm doing with my own channel. Okay, no, I'm not gonna tell you what it's about, but this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, monthly income, if I type, multiplied by 24 equals my sales value. Okay, this happens, and I do this with my actual website, my niche websites as well, is I will figure out, okay, I'm making $2,000 a month from my website, so if I multiply that by 24, this is what my exit strategy should be. This is what my sales value, if I sold my website or my YouTube channel, from these numbers, this is what I should be able to ask for, okay? 24 months is very standard. If you want a quick sale, I do about 18. So let's just assume we sell it at 18 months profit, okay? So let's come up with that number. Let's say we're just going off of $2,000, okay? This is the cool part. And again, selling $2,000 worth of, let's say, grip socks on Amazon, it's not impossible, okay? That is less than $100 a day, okay? You want to do the math? Let's go and do the math. So let's do the math, all right? So $100 a day, or 2,100, let's just do 2,000, okay? That's what I wrote. 2,000 divided by 30, okay, that's $66.66 per day. That's actually fairly easy to do, okay? And selling grip socks is a little bit harder because you can make about 5%, so $14.99 times 0.5, you can make about 75 cents per sale. You're gonna need a lot of sales, okay? And chances are you're not gonna get 100 sales per day for grip socks. However, if you were selling something that is priced at $34.95 and you get the same 5%, you can make about $1.75, okay? Which means 66 divided by 175, you need about 37 sales per day, or you need about 1,130 sales per month, okay? Let me go back and show you this, okay? Because there has to always be an exit strategy, and this is one of the things I've learned from many of my mentors is to not come in and just have, okay, I need to make $100 per day or else this is a failure. $100 a day is fine, which is great if you have that daily income, but what if you went out and you tried to do something different like, okay, I'm gonna build this massive business, or in my opinion, somewhat massive, and then I'm gonna exit, I'm gonna sell it to somebody else. For example, there's people called empire flippers. They sell websites, they sell Amazon FBA businesses, they sell YouTube channels, they sell pretty much anything, and that's probably who you should go to. Okay. But let's say we're making $2,000 a month. We're actually, $2,000 a month at 18 months. It's not that hard to do the math, but we will just do it anyway. 2,000 times 18 equals $36,000 is what we could ask for this channel. Okay, based on our numbers. As long as this is consistent. Okay, if it's not consistent, you are not going to be able to ask for that, because they're going to look back and be like, well, you weren't making that kind of money before. How can we guarantee you're going to continue to make that? Well, there's no guarantees, but as long as you're consistent, you got that consistency, you got that history, there's a good chance you'll be able to make a little bit more money. So again, right here, let's just put that in, $36,000. Okay, that's what you get. Now, let's say you had this for 8 months. Okay, let's do the math on that. Okay, 8 times 30, 240 days, times 100 is $2,400 or $224,000. Okay, that means you just made $150 per day for the life of this channel that you had it. Like I said in the beginning of this video, $100 to $200 per day. What does that give you? Okay, that's what I want to show you, and that's the cool part about this business. Okay, you don't have to be someone that is just an expert at all this stuff. Okay, you really don't. All you need is the idea. You need to understand how business works. You come in at a low price. You come in for free, zero. You don't spend any money, and you build up a business, and then you can make a little bit of money here and there, or you can cash out, quick sale, lump sum, and you can make a lot of money in one day. Okay, there's a lot of options here, but what I wanted to show you is it's possible. Okay, do one of these two things: get paid sponsorships, where you can do it through FameBit, which is a little more difficult, or you can use affiliate links, which is what I personally like to do, and it's extremely helpful. Okay, so if you're still watching this video, okay, I want to give you a little bit of a little help. Okay, one of the things I did for Memorial Day, which was yesterday, was I offered a discounted course. Okay, my affiliate marketing on YouTube course. Now this course is normally $67, and I'm selling it today, or for the next, I think, 5 days, for $20. So it's bringing it all the way down, $47 off, so you can get it today. Use the link in the description box below if you want to check it out. If not, no big deal. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video. So do you see how simple this business model actually is? You currently don't need a YouTube channel. You can go and buy one that meets the requirements so that you can actually post instead of publish videos. Now, I absolutely love publishing videos. That's one of the reasons why I continue to do it. However, I don't want to say that publishing videos is very, very easy and anybody can do it, because in some instances, publishing a video takes a lot of time. Creating a post and hitting publish does not take much time. Okay, it's actually very simple, and it's something that I've been doing, like I said, for almost 4 weeks. And this is a strategy that I'm using on just one of my YouTube channels, and it's very effective. Okay, it's very effective. Okay, I don't have a big YouTube channel that I'm doing it on. Okay, I think right now we're right about 2,900 subscribers, but people are highly engaged because every single day I'm posting twice on there. Okay, doing just different things and talking about different products and different services that the subscribers could benefit from, and they are actually benefiting from it. So because of that, because I'm adding so much value, that is where people are clicking, buying or purchasing the product or service I'm recommending, and I'm making some money. Okay, that's why I'm showing you exactly how to do it. Now, here's a tip that I have for you guys. When you first get your channel, especially if you are buying it, like I showed you, FameSwap is a great place to go and get an account. But when you buy an account, make sure you are figuring out, okay, what is this account actually about? What did this person post to get to 1,000+ subscribers? If you know that, and when you know that, the key is to figure out how you can leverage that existing account and actually start to promote stuff to them that they could purchase or that they could benefit from, okay? I guarantee you, it doesn't matter what the account is, whether it's gaming, fitness, health, cooking, traveling, yoga, it doesn't matter. It could be a bikini try-on haul, whatever, okay? It doesn't matter what the account was. You can actually make some money from it, but you just gotta think, okay, what could I sell to the existing subscribers to actually benefit their life? Okay, once you do that, I guarantee you, you'll start to make some money. So, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button like I asked earlier in the video. If you aren't yet a subscriber, make sure you click that subscribe button. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.